After 1 year with the Galaxy Z Fold 3, it is finally time to upgrade to the Z Fold 4. And genuinely, honestly, I am very excited about this. I know a lot of people are saying it's not really much of an upgrade. There's quite a few jokes on how it's the same phone with a different number, blah, blah, blah. I don't buy into that, and I'm genuinely excited for reasons I'll go into, I'm sure. If you do enjoy this video, if you find it helpful, please do consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up, as it really does help. YouTube likes it, I like it, makes me happy, and it helps other people find my video as well. So much appreciated. But let's get into the box. Just going to move the 3 out of the way for a moment. Get the trusty old Dragon Blade out. Oops, goodbye case. I will be, of course, reviewing that case as well. So if you do want to see that, you want some more information on it, that is the silicone grip cover case. Again, make sure you subscribe. That video will be coming soon. Open up, of course. Nothing in the top box. It's normally this, but that has fallen out already. So inside here, your normal generic stuff. Let's see. There we go. Charging cable, quick start guide, SIM ejector tool, as usual. And then inside the box, of course, we have the grey-green beauty that is the Z Fold 4. Let's take that out. And there we have it, glossy and shiny. Nice shiny sides, which is of course new to the Fold 4 compared to the matte finish and the curved sides of the 3. See the matte glass on the back, and then let's give that a close. Oh, that feels a lot more solid than the 3. Not that there was any issues with the 3, but that definitely feels improved. You can see there's no protector on the front glass, which is weird, unusual, and frustrating. Normally I don't like screen protectors because I just don't see the point. Day to day, I never put screen protectors on, I never buy screen protectors. But with the Fold 4, with the Fold in general, it does spend a lot more time on that front display because, of course, flex mode, doing that, obviously you do put your phone down to watch YouTube videos. So that front display does spend quite a bit of time on tabletops, on surfaces, even taking pictures, videos, etc. as well. So I'm a little bit dubious about the fact they haven't put screen protector on this time around. I'm going to peel off the sides here so you can give it a proper look at the side rail. This in here. There's plastic around the outside there with the buttons. So that's how it looks normally. You can see much better, much more improved in my opinion, of course. If we put that next to the 3, so you got the 4 on top, 3 on the bottom. I like the look of the glossier sides, but of course I will have to see how it holds up with it being a fingerprint magnet and the grip. Of course, the inside display there as well. As we know, it is coming down there. One thing as well people are talking about is the front screen was too narrow, but now it has been widened. Of course, only by 3mm, but wider is wider. I do have some thoughts on that, as well as the slimmer spine. So if we have a look at the spine, or the hinge, you see on the 3, let's get a white background there just to make it easier to see, it is quite a bit wider on the 3 than it is on the 4. So I have quite a few thoughts on how that's going to affect the day-to-day use. Of course, you need to check out the review and things like that as well when that drops, so make sure you subscribe for that. But all in all, first impressions, as expected, it's not mind-blowingly different. But with the form factor, I do think Samsung are onto a winner. So this is a refinement. It's a small upgrade from first appearances. but it is a lot more refined, and I love the Fold 3, so I am glad that they have stuck to a lot of things and they haven't changed too much on here. Of course, time will tell on how it stands up, you know, how it stands the test of time, but, you know, stick to the channel. You will see lots more information on the phone, lots of videos as we go through as well, including updates, software, etc. Let's just get this started. You flip it over as well, you can see on the back, compared to the 3, does have a larger camera module, and the cameras, of course, are improved as well, so it does need that larger camera housing to get that in there. So you have got the 10 megapixel telephoto, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and the 50 megapixel wide. So you are getting closer to flagship cameras now this time round. I love the Z Fold 3. I'd be lying if I said it was perfect. It's not perfect. It did have a few complaints about it, you know, mainly battery and camera quality. Although at times it did take great quality pictures, there were times when it did disappoint as well. And it is an expensive phone, so it is nice to see you are getting the better camera quality on there now as well that it deserves, and obviously that flagship processor and stronger glass. So it will be interesting to see how this holds up. So make sure you subscribe, come back to see future videos on the Fold 4 and of course the Watch 5 Pro soon as well. Thank you for watching. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your day.